Hello YouTube, this is Ali from Techschool back with another video, and in this one I'm going to teach you how you can compress your pictures in bulk for 100% free, and it will reduce the file size up to 90% without any visible quality loss, and you can do this without using any pirated software. Stay tuned. So the first thing that we are going to do is that I'm going to give you a link in the description for this website, sarasoft.com/cesium. I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyways, you're going to go to this website. As you can see, it says compress your pictures up to 90% without visible quality loss, and then you're going to click on downloads. It will redirect you here to the download section. Then you'll want to download this file, the installer, and you can also download the portable version for if you want to share it with other people and put it in your USB. And if you're a developer, you can actually see the source code, because this is an open source project and all the source code is transparent and you can see it. So you're going to click on download. It's going to redirect you to this third-party website, and you're going to click on Windows installer, and it will automatically download the file for you. Now I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to cancel. This is the folder. This is how it will look like. Then you're going to double click on this. It's an executable file. Wait for it to load. So once you have the software open, you're going to click on file, open folder, and I have this stock folder selected. I'm going to select folder, so it will import all the 4 files I have, and their size is 7.62 MB. As you can see, there are 4 files with different resolutions, and I'm going to compress them. You see they have different resolutions, and they have very high resolutions. Typically you only need 1920 by 1080. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check this box, same for all. I'm going to leave the quality at 80, and then I'm going to resize them as well, and then I'm going to put in 1920 by 1080 pixels, and then I'm also going to click same for all, and then I'm going to click on set on quality so that all of them have 80% quality, and then apply so all of them have this resolution. And then I'm going to select my output folder. I will just here. So now I'm just going to press compress. Compression finished and 6.91 MB saved, and then I'll show you. These 4 files are 7.62 MB, and then these 4 files are 733 KB. For example, let's look at this file, fog, and then the original fog file, and let's put them side by side. And as you can see, there is almost no difference in quality. There is no visible difference in quality. At least I can't tell any difference, but there is a massive difference in the file size. The original file is 4.1 MB and the new file is 195 KB, so that is definitely more than 90% file size reduction without any visible quality loss. So this was the software that I wanted to show you, and this is how you use it. And if you like the video, please press the thumbs up button and then subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.